नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं आर हिंदुस्तान न्यूज। आनंद सक्सेना के साथ फेमस एक्टर साधु कोकिला के भाई लाया कोकिला के साथ नजर आई नीता शर्मा और प्रोड्यूसर लव शर्मा बेंगलुरु में फिल्म के मुहूर्त के दौरान। हाल ही में बेंगलुरु के एक प्रसिद्ध मंदिर में अपकमिंग फिल्म का मुहूर्त समारोह संपन्न हुआ। इस खास मौके पर मशहूर अभिनेता साधु कोकिला के भाई लय कोकिला, फिल्म की लीड एक्ट्रेस नीता शर्मा और निर्माता लव शर्मा एक साथ नजर आए। इस पारंपरिक पूजा के साथ ही फिल्म के सफर की औपचारिक शुरुआत हो गई है। एक सितारे भरी शुरुआत मुहूर्त के दौरान माहौल काफी उत्साहजनक था। इंडस्ट्री में अपनी बहुमुखी प्रतिभा के लिए पहचाने जाने वाले लय कोकिला और अभिनेत्री नीता शर्मा के बीच एक बेहतरीन तालमेल देखने को मिला। अंदरूनी सूत्रों का कहना है कि इसी मिस्ट्री थ्रिलर फिल्म में इन दोनों को ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री दर्शकों के लिए मुख्य आकर्षण होगी। निर्माता लव शर्मा, जो इस प्रोजेक्ट के पीछे के असली विजनरी हैं, उन्होंने समारोह के दौरान अपनी खुशी जाहिर करते हुए कहा कि यह प्रोजेक्ट मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है। हमारे पास एक शानदार स्टार कास्ट है और एक ऐसी पटकथा है जो दर्शकों को अंत तक अपनी सीटों से बांधे रखेगी। फिल्म के बारे में खास बातें आपको बता दें कि हालांकि फिल्म की कहानी को अभी गुप्त ही रखा गया है, लेकिन इससे शीर्षक ने पहले ही लोगों की काफी उत्सुकता जगा दिया है। कहानी की बात करें तो चर्चा है कि यह एक हाई स्टेक इन्वेस्टिगेटिव थ्रिलर है जिसकी कहानी शहरी पृष्ठभूमि पर आधारित है। फिल्म का निर्देशन एक नवोदित, आपको बता दें कि डेविएंट निर्देशन कर रहे हैं और जो कि अपनी अनूठी कहानी कहने की शैली के लिए जाने जाते हैं। लय कोकिला की संगीत विरासत को देखते हुए फैंस ये भी उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि वे अभिनय के साथ साथ फिल्म के साउंड ट्रैक में भी अपना योगदान देंगे। इस फिल्म को बड़े पैमाने पर प्रोड्यूस कर रहे और इस पूरे दक्षिण भारत में कई भाषाओं में रिलीज करने की योजना है। इंडस्ट्री का पूरा समर्थन मिला है। इस मौके पर सैंडलवुड कन्नड़ फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज के कई दिग्गज चेहरे भी शुभकामनाएं देने पहुंचे। दिग्गज कलाकार साधु कोकिला ने भी अपनी व्यस्तता के बावजूद अपने भाई लय कोकिला और पूरी टीम को अपनी शुभकामनाएं भेजी हैं। शूटिंग का पहला शेड्यूल अगले हफ्ते से कर्नाटक की खूबसूरत लोकेशन पर शुरू होने वाला है। नीता शर्मा के प्रशंसक उन्हें इस नए और चुनौतीपूर्ण किरदार में देखने के लिए काफी उत्साहित हैं। अब सभी की निगाहें इस बात पर टिकी हैं कि ये टीम पर्दे पर क्या जादू बिखेरती है। फिलहाल आप सुरक्षित रहिए, जुड़े रहिए आर हिंदुस्तान से। नमस्कार।
First of all, pranam and namaskar everyone. I'm here. My name is Neeta Sharma. I'm from Mumbai. As of all know that I'm here for the Puja Muhurat, and especially thanks to Nasir Da and thanks to Sunil Da, also Love Sharma sir and my cast and crew because they invite me here, and I'm doing as a lead also this. This is my fourth movie. My background actually I'm from Mumbai and I have done a lot of modeling shows like Ramp Walk and all, and I have done movies, 4 movies and. Serial also I have done before. So here in Bangalore we are in a temple and it's a Ganesh temple. And Bangalore, madam, पहली बार आए हैं, पहले कभी आए हैं? No, Bangalore I have come earlier also, and I have done previously one project here, which was the 7 Deaths, and I have done in Mumbai also 2-3 projects. Where my first movie was I Love You, and the second movie was Master Fight. Okay. So now this is my fourth movie in Kannada. I have doing I'm doing second time. And also upcoming movie are there. So
now you are working in a South Indian industry. So how comfortable you are when you are working?
see, actually, from the beginning, I really love South Indian movies, and I used to watch that movie also. And I like to work in South industry, So I was trying and searching an opportunity to work there. Finally, I got it, and I'm happy for that. And also, because of the help of my some friends like Laya sir and all, thanks to God also because. He is giving me the opportunity to work here. Everyone said that in South is the industry where if people come now, definitely they will sign. Hopefully, I'm also hoping myself to sign soon. So let's see.
Now you are working in the Kannada industry. So are you trying to learn Kannada?
Previously, I have done to Kannada Air. Okay. Yes, it's little bit difficult to work here because of the language barrier, but I'm trying to understand and learn how somehow possibly. So yeah, obviously, yeah, it's a lead character only. I have done like some multi characters roles, you know, like I have done some what is called that. It's not come to I'm expressing, but yes,
All posters on police days or something.
yeah, it's a police work also. Somewhere like a beggar also have done it as a lead, and somewhere I work like as a multi character also.
So what kind of genre movies you will be comfortable? You want to watch or you want to act?
See, for as an artist, what I believe, artist if he or she can do every character, that's called an artist, right? So I'm also comfortable to do any character. I'm not like specific. I will do this character and this. I'm okay.
So coming to this movie, what role you are doing and how many days you will be in Bangalore and shooting after that?
Right now for 7 days I'm here, but hardly it will go 20 days for the shoot. And this is the lead character also. Specifically, really, I don't know the story about this, but somehow it's a very good story. So, let's see.
So you have gone through your character, what it will be there in the movie, because I see a lot of trailers in the movie.
I'm also excited to know exactly what their character and I'm as he, so I'm playing a widow character, I guess. So let's see, because I'm excited to work these children. They are so cutie pies, they are so good. I feel myself they are very talented compared to me.
So how about any future projects? So what's going on?
Future project in my hand, I have again another 2 movie also. I don't think so we have to reveal the name, but if they are giving me the permission, definitely I will reveal name also. Name also, title also they announced. So it's a coming next 2 movies there.
So other than film industry, what are your hobbies or what is your daily life? Because most of the people will wanted to know like a celebrity life, how it will be and what you do other than this.
See, like other day, usually, obviously, home routine all, but I'm a pet and lover, so I used to take care of my pet also. And apart from that, I do fun activities like dancing, and then sometimes yoga, and then like moving around the cities. I like traveling, so these are all things I do. Rarely we don't get a time, right? Sometimes like monthly, 3 days, 4 days we get time, then we used to tour and used to visit the places to see and sometimes I used to learn some new, like I'm now coming to the Kannada industry, so I was sometimes I used to try the read books, Kannada books, to understand the language, to understand the people. So that's it I used to do.
Okay, so finally, what do you want to tell the audience in South Indian industry?
See, as I am like every artist or as an every actress, I'm not a well known right now, so but I'm trying. But especially, I really need bless from all the South Indian people and all the Bollywood people also. Let me give lot of love. I don't want this much. I want this much love from them, and they are blessed also. I want them to bless me every time to grow and to get success in Kannada industry. So hopefully, I'm requesting all the people also. My movie is coming soon in the theater. I need your lot of love and I need your all the support. Hopefully, and definitely.
So what's the status on 7 deaths source of post? So when is the shoot planned and time?
See, the upcoming project, this is my upcoming project, the 7 Dads, which is very nice story if I'm going to tell you. And I'm very excited for that because, see, what I feel now in the Kannada industry, not I'm saying already people watch a lot of movies, right? This movie is gonna leave you, give you a mark, like exactly what is about the girl. This story about the girl actually, so it will leave a mark that what is a girl struggle in the life, how exactly why she become like this. In the story is there. So soon it's also gonna actually shoot almost finished. Last some few days is there. So soon it's also gonna release in the theater.
Thank you for being in this South Indian industry and congratulations for all your projects.
Thank you so much for calling me. Thank you Sunil and thank you all the media and thank you so much for coming.